What's up YouTube? I'm Vaughn and this is the Gear channel where we discuss collectibles, hobbies, kabay games on tabletop video games, and today we are showing the difference of each grade. If you're planning on purchasing your first Gunpla, these are key notes that you need to obtain so you know your ideal Gunpla to purchase. So we're going to do a breakdown of either the aesthetics, the sizes, the difficulty of the builds, and also the price range so you're much more better prepared. And yes, we have done a previous video like this, but with new information that was introduced and also the quality of the videos, I really want to remake this specific video. Now, a friendly reminder as always to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel a lot and I do really appreciate it. So starting first with the high grade Dead Site Hell that we have in the corner, we could clearly see that it does lack quite a bit of detail when compared towards like the master grade, but also the size of it is quite small. But this is definitely an amazing collection to start with because it's also the cheapest as well, while the prices varies from $10 to even $80. But if there's a specific series you want to start collecting, this is definitely your ideal Gunpla to start with. Next to it is the high grade Universal Centuries, or that you might see it labeled as HGUCs. Now these high grades varies all the time because some of them with the price points can be like an easy $100, but then it could also be $400, and some of the sizes can even surpass a perfect grade at well, because we're also including just the model kit itself, so including the armory and accessories, so some of them can actually potentially surpass the size of a perfect grade. Now the difficulty of building is actually the equivalent of a regular high grade, so it's very simple to build, but it's just a mass as well. So if you're looking for something big to build but very easy, this would be your ideal grades to actually look forward towards. Then the next is the real grade with lots of details, and also the difficulty of building or pretty much the close of either a master grade ver.ka or even a perfect grade because it's quite small pieces to actually build with, and also the sizes are pretty close towards a high grade, a tad bit taller, but majority of all high grades are usually the exact same size as this specific one, and the market price varies from either like $60 or even surpasses like $100. Next, we have our regular master grades, which definitely shows a lot of details, extra details compared towards the high grade. So if we look at the Dead Site Hell master grade, we can see that there's a size difference. We can see the details as well. Now these prices always varies as well. Also, it could be something from $60 to even $200. And the same thing could be applied with price range when we look at the master grade ver.ka. Now master grade ver.kas are usually a tad bit taller towards the master grade counterpart. So if you have two of the same Gundam, but one's a master grade and the other one is a master grade ver.ka, there will be a tad bit difference in the sizes, but the difficulty of a ver.ka definitely surpasses the regular master grade as well, and sometimes they could be the equivalent towards a perfect grade, and the price varies very much from these of being $100 towards even like $300. And then finally we have our perfect grade Zeta over here. Now all perfect grades are pretty the equivalent, the same size. Some might be a tad bit shorter, like my perfect grade Strike Freedom Gundam is actually a little bit shorter than the Zeta if we're not including his wings, but all majority of the perfect grades are about this size, and also the price range are usually close towards like $250 towards even like $600. And that's it for our grades. Now if this video helped you in any way, definitely like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and it really does help the channel a lot. And if you want a sneak peek of future products we're planning to review here on the channel, you can follow me on my Instagram, VaughnGear. I'm Vaughn, and this was the Gear channel.